Good morning, my lovely students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Yes, students. Can I ask you one small question? It's very easy and very simple, and you all know this. Students, tell me, where do we stay? Yes, we stay in Virar. Now, tell me one thing. What is Virar famous for? Yes, tell me, what is Virar famous for? Yes, Jivdani Mandir. Students, people easily recognize Virar because of Jivdani Mandir. If you say कि I am staying in Virar, हम विरार में रहते हैं, so everybody was saying ना, अरे वहाँ पर जीवदानी मंदिर है ना. So yes, the Virar is famous because of Jivdani Mandir. Students, today we are going to study the lesson getting to know the place we live in. It's very interesting lesson. Students, a village, a town, a city has buildings such as fort, temple, caves, museum, etc. Students, we know that each place, there are fort, museums, right? Temples, yes, caves, churches, mosques, and memorials. Okay, students? Now, students, tell me, a place become known by these buildings. Very simple. For example, if I say Agra, which is the city in Uttar Pradesh? Yes, which is the city in Uttar Pradesh? What comes first in your mind? Yes, if I say Agra, which is the city in Uttar Pradesh, what first come in your mind? Yes, students, Taj Mahal in Agra. So, students, the city Agra is known because of this beautiful building, that is Taj Mahal. It's such a beautiful building. And who built this? Shah Jahan. Do you know? Yes. Now next is, we will go to the next slide. How does a town form? Now this is your main lesson we are going to study now. Okay. Now, in very old times, before man began to farming, okay, बहुत पुराने टाइम में, बहुत पुराने ज़माने में, before man began farming करने से पहले, he lived a nomadic life. Now students, what is nomadic life? Yes, this is the new word for you. Yes, students, nomadic life means people who traveling from place to place, means they are not staying on one place, they are not settled down in one place, they roam in search of suitable place. वो लोग एक जगह उनका घर ठिकाना नहीं होता, they move from place to place. Okay, that is called nomadic life. Okay, students, this much you understood what is nomadic life. Okay, so students, when man lived in a nomadic life, he was dependent on hunting. हाँ, hunting करते थे वो लोग. Then hunting of animals, okay, and gathering fruits, then roots, okay, and bulbs for food. Food means they are eating this before they started the farming. फार्मिंग करने से पहले वो लोग ये सब खाते थे. ओके, बट स्लोली लेटर ऑन मैन लर्न टू ग्रो क्रॉप्स. फिर उन लोगों ने फार्मिंग करना स्टार्ट किया. ही बिगेन टू सेटल, वो लोग वहां पर सेटल हो गए. वेयर ही फाउंड सुटेबल लैंड एंड वाटर. स्टूडेंट्स, सी व्हेन वी बाय अ न्यू हाउस, ओके, सो फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी आस्क्ड इन अ बिल्डिंग, यहाँ पर पूरा टाइम पानी आता है ना, ओके, बिकॉज दैट इज अवर नीड. सो द सेम वे when they started settle down, where they settled where the man found land and water. Okay, then people began to build houses in such places and settled there. वो लोग ने घर बनाना शुरू किया और वो लोग वहां पर settled हो गए. Okay, they began or they started to help each other in farming. Okay, they started helping each other. Their houses were close by. Thus settlements began to grow bigger. फिर ये settlement जो हो गया वो बढ़ते गया बड़ा हो गया. Many settlements merged मतलब सारे settlements they joined together to form villages. Okay, people felt safer living in such settlements. They felt living in settlement is good. They are happy in this type of life. Now they started the farming. As farming developed, यानी farming बढ़ने लगा, develop हुआ, people had to do different kinds of work. Okay, they started working different kinds of work. What are the works? So one person could not do all the work. ठीक है, सारा काम एक जन तो नहीं कर सकता है. So what they do? So work was divided between the people. ठीक है, they divided the work between the people. वो लोगों ने काम बांटना शुरू किया. Now what they did? Making wooden implements. They started making the wooden implements. जैसे हथियार औजार, वो किसके लिए? दिस फॉर फार्मिंग के लिए. ओके, नाउ रिपेयरिंग देम, अगर वो टूट जाता है तो उसको रिपेयर करना. वीविंग क्लोथ्स. ओके, दे स्टार्टेड वीविंग द क्लोथ, कपड़े बुनना. मेकिंग ज्वेलरी, एंड मेकिंग क्ले पॉट्स. Thus there were artisans engaged in different occupation. वो लोग farming began हो गया, so they require all these things and they started different work and all they were busy in their occupation. Okay, now which are the different implements needed for farming? Students, you will see this picture. There are two types of implement: Asian farming implements, modern farming implements. Okay, now we are in modern time, so now we can see this modern farming implements, but in olden time, that is Asian time, farming implements are different. Can you see all this picture? Now we are using modern farming implements, right? Okay, that is pad, we say na fauda, that sickle, then iron fork, then we have hoe, yoke. These implements we are using, but Asian time they are using this type of implements. Okay students, can we go to next? Yes, now can you tell which historical buildings, monuments, objects, etc. see in your area? Yes students, chalo come on, say which historical buildings. Yes, only I will say Arnala. So what? Arnala Fort. Yes, it is very famous students, and we are very happy that Arnala Fort is in our Virar. Yes or no? And same way, another fort nearby Virar is Vasai ka Killa, Vasai Fort. Okay? Student, a village, town or city has buildings such as temples, caves, mosques, churches, fort, museums, memorials, etc. Okay? Students, a place becomes known by these buildings. Now, Arnala, we are saying na Arnala Killa. So, Arnala is famous for that Killa. Vasai ka Killa, Vasai is famous for that Killa. They tell us, these buildings tell us about the richness of that place. They help us to understand our history. Okay, these buildings are our treasures. ये हमारा खजाना है. Okay, this is what our treasure. Really students, they must be protected. To protect them is our responsibility. To protect them is our responsibility. This I am going to explain you afterwards how to protect. Okay, a place may also become famous because of religious places. Fair, मेला लगता है, और fort. Now students, for example, Raigad district. Raigad district is known for the which fort? Raigad fort. Yes. Raigad is a hill fort situated in Mahad at Raigad district of Maharashtra. Okay. The Raigad fort was built by Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj was crowned at Raigad fort. Students, Raigad district is famous for the Raigad fort. Yes, till here we have studied this much. Students, we will be learning about more such interesting places in a next session. Till then, bye, take care.